Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to our awesome mental health check. Yeah, you're just seeing me today, but that's because I wanted to do a little something special. This is basically only going to be going up on our YouTube channel. I just wanted to participate in sort of Vlogmas, but not exactly, because we're just going to do 25 days. So starting today, December 1st, we're going to do 25 days of mental health tips and tricks and little things that you can use along the way to just propel yourself into a new place. So buckle up and get ready. I'm going to do really quick stuff. It's not going to be real fast, but I just wanted to share some stuff with you. So today I am going to be doing day one, obviously. And so tip number one, day one, however that you want to look at it, is here's a little something. We've talked about this many times and how important God is in our lives and how much love He has for us. He just demonstrates and gives so much love for us. But I wanted to share with you guys this little thing. Okay, so day one, ask God to deepen your love for Him and for others. Okay, that's not always an easy thing to do, especially for others, when you literally are going through one of, just gonna be honest, one of the worst seasons. Telling you, the Christmas season is really the worst and the best, but the worst for the way that people act. They do not act very loving, and it can be very difficult sometimes. But let me just share some stuff. So Mark 11:24 says, "Therefore I tell you, whatever you ask in prayer, believe that you have received it and it will be yours." Again, Mark 11:24. I think that's pretty awesome. So the prerequisite for sharing the gospel with others is abiding in God's love. Like I said to you guys before, God's love is so imperative. For us to just propel into the next place, we do need to deepen our love for Him, for God, and for others, because it can be tough. Okay, so like I said, the prerequisite to sharing the gospel with others is abiding in God's love. It's allowing yourself to be loved and to cultivate the relationship that you want to call others into. Like I said, Mark 11:24 reminds us that whenever we ask for whatever we ask for in prayer, we will receive, asking for a deeper understanding of the love of God and for an opportunity to share the love of God with others will always be answered with a yes. So that's kind of an exciting thing. So Matthew 7:7 further states, "Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and it will be opened to you." Today's simple act of love is cultivating a heart desperate to see others be loved by God and to become His beloved. So one last little bit of this is just spend at least 30 minutes meditating on the love of God and considering what God is saying to you. So this one, sharing love, spreading love, considering deepening the love that you have for God and for others by taking 30 minutes out of your day and just meditating on God and His love. How do you do that? You literally just sit there set an alarm for yourself if you need to, but sit there for 30 minutes and just think about God's love. Now, for those of you that are not Christians or not in that place, it can be a very difficult task, but I urge you to just try it out. Just try it. Just meditate for 30 minutes. Just think on love. How about that? Just try that. Just meditate. Just sit silently thinking on love, discovering love in your heart so that you can share and love on others. That's tip number 1 for day 1. God bless you all. See you next day tomorrow. Love you.